A unique combination of light, optics and digital 3D printing are the basis for our new patented Printoptical technology. We provide optical structures and light distribution patterns using clear ink and translucent media. These digital building blocks are put down layer by layer to create new optical arrays and effects. We derive inspiration from our constant immersion in the miracle of light. We believe in the power of environmentally friendly, digital printed optics to contribute to a more sustainable world. Light distribution patterns are integrated in glass panes to control hotspots, to control internal temperatures, prevent interior fading, and protect people's health. Light distribution efficiency in greenhouses is improved by our optical structures, which enhance the growing power of the greenhouse environment and thereby overall productivity and sustainability. Special micro-optics are used to improve the absorbency of sunlight and to improve solar panel efficiency. Lenses and light distribution patterns are rapidly designed to improve cost significantly. High-impact printing processes allow users to modify machinery easily and adopt our technology for use in many diverse applications,